Welcome back to the Matt's Fine Backyard Barbecue. We're in that backyard. I'm the Mad Pit Master Ruben. Today, I have a comparison between S.P.G on a tri-tip and Montreal Steak Seasoning. I gotta know how this pars up on a tri-tip. And while we're doing that, I also want to talk to you guys about cooking, smoking, barbecuing, doing whatever it is that you do traditionally. Keeping up with the standards to the region that barbecue is made, been put on the map. You know what I mean? For instance, Texas brisket, Santa Maria style tri-tip, Carolina whole hog, and all that kind of stuff like that. And I have a very strong opinion that unless you're trying to go down memory lane or bring someone's coming over to visit, they're from that regional area, and you want to cook something they're familiar with and show that you know how to do it, it's really, really great to keep to those standards. However, we're not cuffed and chained to those standards. You know what I mean? You're not held accountable. You're not held to 100% to the script that you have to cook that way. Here's my way I see it. There's no place better than your place. And if you decide to cook something a certain way, a particular way, and you make it taste better, although it's alien to somebody else, hey man, so be it. That's how things get, that's how progression is achieved. You got to try new things, you got to try it different ways, and you can't be afraid to do it. So just want to touch on that. You don't have to get one of these tri-tips and do them Santa Maria style. You don't have to. You can put this thing in the microwave and put some peanut butter and jelly on it if that's what you want to do. As long as it tastes good to you and one other person, I mean, then you're set. So today, Montreal versus S.P.G. We're going to do it, we're going to taste it, and we're going to judge it. Watch. All right, you guys, there we have it. 2 tri-tips, Montreal Steak Seasoning on the right, S.P.G on the left. And I'm pretty excited because I actually used a mustard binder for the first time on these tri-tips. Never done it before. Never done it on beef. I'm going to find out if that adds or takes away to the flavor. And I'll know by this S.P.G because I'm used to this already. So let's see what's up with that. I'm kind of more excited about the mustard binder than I am about this Montreal seasoning comparison. But you know what, man? We'll see how this goes. Oh, and I almost forgot. We're going to hang these bad boys. Oh, yeah. All right, there we have it. We got them hung in there. And we're going to go ahead and drop this lid. And I'll check back in on it in about half hour. All right, you guys, so we have the Montreal Steak Seasoning tri-tip already with an internal temperature of 116, and the S.P.G one is at 124. So that one went a little bit over, but we're going to go ahead and sear these, and we're going to keep on moving. So as you can see, I have the bottom grate, the bottom part of the WSM. I have it where the top grate is resting right on top of the smoke ring, the fire ring. And then I have the grill grates right on top of that. And they've been getting hot. It's ready. And I'm going to slap these tri-tips right on top. All right, there you have it. We got the S.P.G on the left, and we got the Montreal Steak Seasoning on the right. Tri-tips. Resting. Taking a nap. All right, there you have it. S.P.G. Montreal Steak Seasoning. Let's see what's up. All right, going in for the kill. Oh, that's delicious. Man. So I was afraid the Montreal Steak Seasoning was going to be a little overpowering. But I got to admit, man, that's damn good. All right. S.P.G. Look at this. Man. All right, let me take a bite off of that right there. So, a little bit more chewy, a little bit more on the rare side. This is more towards the medium side. I love it like that. This is, I can't explain it. It's more juicy at this temperature for me than that way. But the S.P.G, God, it's just, it all works together to complement this tri-tip just the way I like it. It is dead on good. I wish this would have came out like this. However, the Montreal Steak Seasoning, if that's what you have, man, it's still damn delicious. Oh yeah, that seasoning is damn good too. It's just the seasoning with it. I think it's the garlic stands out, the pepper stands out, and just the salt. The three simple ingredients just kicks ass over here. So there you have it. That concludes this little trial, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when I make new videos. And I got to figure out what I'm going to do with all this meat. Oh man. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so this is how it's going down. Gonna make this sandwich right here. I'm gonna use this stuff right here, House of Q sugar and spice barbecue sauce. It has a hell of a kick. It's delicious. Also, I didn't say anything about the mustard. I did not taste a difference. So to me, it was a, I think I would still use the mustard from now on because I just like doing it. And that's it. Gonna chow down on this. Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, it's going down, guys. You guys have a good one.